Hello, I'm glad you're here. My name is Margareta Varga. I am a psychotherapist and a music and expressive arts therapist. I'm the director of the Swedish Institute of Expressive Arts in Stockholm. So this is an invitation to participate in a weekend workshop for an approach called KMR-Brief Music Journeys. This approach belongs to a larger tradition called guided imagery and music. In KMR, we carefully select short pieces of music to help a person stabilize themselves emotionally and physically, to feel more safe. One can also use KMR to more work through emotional crises and emotional wounding. Furthermore, KMR can also be helpful in exploring the inner world of creativity and imagination. This way of working is embodied. We turn to the wisdom of the body, to the intelligence inside. The body speaks in other ways than words. So here we also engage the senses. And the senses are extended out in different art expressions. We paint, draw, move the body, play, and also write freely. This is a way to process the work. And some of this you will be experiencing in the workshop. I have conducted research in cancer rehabilitation, in which we invited women with experiences of cancer treatment to use KMR to befriend their bodies again and become more at home in their own skin and develop a repertoire of caring for themselves and clearing out some emotional difficulties. And I will share some of that research as well. I hope you're interested in participating and just exploring. And if you have any questions, you can write to me. I also hope that there will be an opportunity to continue and offer training in this way of working. And more information will come about this. So, welcome. I hope we meet again. Bye for now.